Hi guys, Ryan with Triple V here. Today we have some brooches we're going to show you. So the brooches that we're going to be showing you today is going to be a little sneak peek to the Broochathon on Whatnot. So 24-hour Broochathon, we're going to be kicking it off. And like I said, we're just going to be doing a little sneak preview for you guys today. All right, guys, so let's get into it. So first on the video, we have some Chanel. Nice Baguette Rhinestones there, Silvertone, and there's that signature back there. So we have this Chanel. Really beautiful piece, well put together. We have a micro Mosaic. Beautiful design. Love these pieces. And it has that Italy marking on the back. So micro Mosaic. We have some vintage here, beautiful rhinestones, some faux pearls. And then we have some bling bling here, some AB rhinestones, pink rhinestones, and they are all open back, which honestly makes the design so much better. Beautiful brooch there. Very well put together. Up next, we have a beautiful rhinestone piece again. This one even engraving in there. AB rhinestones. Again, open back rhinestones. Very beautiful brooch there. All right, up next, we got a puppy dog. Rhinestone tongue, eyes, collar, gold tone back. And that is a signer. So there's that signature there. So a signer puppy dog. Alright, up next we have a Cabochon Center.
That's Faux Fire Opal.
So Faux Fire Opal, but again, really beautiful design, beautiful look. And that one is Sarah Coventry. So the name of the brooch is Contessa. So awesome brooch there. Looks like we have some more bling here. Beautiful dark blue teardrop rhinestones, some light blue rhinestones, Silvertone back with the open back rhinestones again. Alright, up next we have a beautiful flower here. Really well put together. Definitely blingy. Has a beautiful shine to the rhinestones. There's that Silvertone back. Awesome piece. Alright, up next we have a pineapple.
Yep.
Again, beautiful rhinestones, gold tone. That one is signed as well. Alice Canis. So Alice Cavaness. There's that signature there. Alright. Looks like we have some cloisonné enamel here. And that is May and Lion. And that is made by Laurel Birch. So again, another beautiful piece there. And like I said, guys, this is all going to be in this upcoming Friday, 5 p.m. We're going to be starting off that Broochathon, 24 hours. Beautiful flower piece there, beautiful enamel, and that is an art. So beautiful art piece there. Alright, looks like we have some Silvertone, some faux pearl cabochons, beautiful rhinestones, and that is a Napier. So there's that signature, nice and clear there. Beautiful piece. Alright, look at this one. Beautiful rhinestone pieces. Got the orange rhinestones there as well. Beautiful piece. And that one is signed as well, a Lennon. So there's that signature. All right, looks like we have some Baguette Rhinestones. So red Baguette Rhinestones, gold tone heart, and that is a Weiss piece. All right, up next we have a Cabochon Center, engraved.
Yeah, it's just like glass.
So glass engraved flower there, beautiful beads around it, some rhinestones, and that is a Liztech. Almost made up. So we got a Liztech. Up next, did I may have? All right, let's get into the next tray. Faux or real? All right, we have a beautiful Grapevine.
Yep, grape cluster.
Grape cluster with the faux pearls, gold tone. And there is the back. Nice large brooch there. All right, up next we have some light blue rhinestones. Silvertone back. All right, consider this a bar pin. Bar pin with the center rhinestones. Beautiful black enamel with the gold tone. And that one is a Swarovski. I'm learning little by little. All right, beautiful star cluster here. A starburst. Beautiful rhinestones, Silvertone back. Really cool piece there. All right, we have a black enamel, gold tone trim bow tie. Beautiful rhinestones in the center. And there is that gold tone back. Beautiful red rhinestones with a gold tone. There's the back of that one. Beautiful, beautiful, well put together piece. All right. We have a bar pin, crystals. So there are some crystals there in the center. Beautiful shine to them. And there is the back. Awesome bar pin there.
Celluloid.
All right, so we have a
Celluloid.
celluloid piece here. Beautiful flower. Engraved or carved.
Celluloid is like an older plastic.
So an older plastic, gotcha.
Molded, probably.
So a molded piece here, but again, beautiful brooch. And then have that old style, vintage style clasp. Really cool piece there. Let us see. Beautiful rhinestone center. Beautiful design. You got the stars. There is the back. We have a wasp bee of some sort. Beautiful rhinestone wings, green rhinestone eyes. And that one is signed Kenneth Lane. So we have the Kenneth Lane bee. Really cool piece there. All right, up next we got a gold tone moon with some dangles. Beautiful artistry there. And that one's got a signature as well. Norma Jean. So there is a signature there, Norma Jean. Beautiful, beautiful piece there. Gotcha. Ooh, we got another beautiful one here. Definitely some accent pieces. Really, really beautiful. Beautiful design with the rhinestones. We got a pendant brooch here. Again, really beautiful. Looks like we have some teardrop rhinestones. Beautiful clear rhinestones though. Silvertone back. Again, each individual rhinestone set. Beautiful, beautiful piece. All right. Up next we have some Baguette Rhinestones. Again, beautiful, beautiful rhinestones. We got the Snowflakes, Silvertone back, Pendant Brooch. Beautiful piece there. We have a flower, beautiful swirl, blue swirl enamel with the AB rhinestones there. Consider that pewter tone back.
Gunmetal.
Gunmetal back. Beautiful flower there. And then it looks like we have another flower here, a little rhinestone there. Beautiful enamel. This one is signed as well. Joan River.
Yep, Joan Rivers.
Joan Rivers. So really beautiful piece there. So you're gonna have to help me with the center stone. This fire opal.
Yep, it's a Rivoli rhinestone.
So we have the Rivoli Rhinestone center. Is it any type of opal?
Like an AB, like a...
Oh, you're gonna look on the inside of it though.
Yeah.
I don't know.
That's the way it's cut.
It's so like an opalescent
opalescent.
Rivoli
Rivoli
rhinestone. Sorry, there's a lot of words there. Honestly, kind of reminds me of oh man, what was that called? Lord of the Rings. Kind of got that the all-seeing eye there. Definitely a crazy piece, but that one is signed as well. And that is a Sarah Coventry piece. So beautiful, beautiful piece. And then last but not least, we have some more crystals here. Beautiful flower, little bumblebee there. Awesome piece. Open back rhinestones again. Said love those. Definitely gives it a whole nother look right there. So that is all of the brooches that we are going to show today. Like I said, that is for this upcoming Friday, 5 p.m. We're going to be kicking off the Broochathon this Friday, 5 p.m. Honestly, have a feeling like it's going to be a really cool time. So I really hope to see some of you guys there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, Ryan with Triple V showing off some merchandise today. So like I said, hope to see you there. All right, everybody, have a wonderful rest of your day.